Hi guys, it's Anamaria. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I have been gone for so long. To be completely honest with you guys, I've actually filmed 3 videos, maybe 4. I think 3 for sure, 3. I've filmed 3 videos and I haven't edited them. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm always in the mood to film, but I'm not in the mood to actually go in and edit the videos. So, to be completely fair, I have recorded videos, they just haven't gone up. I just want to come on and play with makeup, and I miss doing this. So I really feel like listening to music and doing my makeup. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a voiceover, but I just wanted to come on here and say hi and thank you to those of you subscribed to me still. I know I haven't done much, but I know this is also good for me to do, so I create more content for like my Mary Kay stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Actually, I'm gonna use my Mary Kay makeup and my brushes and my new brushes. Oh my gosh, they're so good. I unsubscribed to my Morphe. I unsubscribed to my Morphe subscription. Yeah. Which was like a monthly brush set getting sent to me. I don't need it anymore because I have everything that I need in this little kit from Mary Kay, and it's in a nice sleek bag and I don't have to worry about packaging and throwing away stuff. Anyways, you get the gist of it. I don't need my Morphe subscription anymore because I have my essential brush kit now. So super happy about that. You guys are going to see how they perform during this video, and I've been using them for like the last 2 weeks, I think, non-stop. That's all I've been using, and it's actually, no, with the exception of one brush, because I didn't order that specific brush for myself, but in my next order I will be. So you guys will see it in the video. I hope you guys enjoy. I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna be completing today, but I know I want like full coverage, and let's just see what I come up with.
Alright guys, so to start off with, I'm taking my Mary Kay CC Cream. This is in the shade medium to deep. I love the CC Cream. It comes in 5 different shades actually, and it covers such a wide variety of shades. And it blends so beautifully into every skin tone despite the undertone of the skin as well. This is the new Mary Kay foundation brush. You guys, I am so in love with this brush. It blends the product so beautifully, and it doesn't take me long at all to disperse all of the product, as you can see here. Of course, this is sped up, but I mean, you get the idea. Then, like I said, I wanted full coverage, so I'm going in with my foundations as well. I'm taking Beige 7 in the matte foundation and in the luminous foundation. I find that this gives me like the best overall glow. It's not too matte, so it's not making my face look flat at all, and it's not too luminous to the point where it's going to make my skin super oily either. So I love that. And what I'm doing here, I'm just taking a lot of the product in the center of the face first, and then blending the rest out to the outer areas of my face. And as you saw, I started with the CC Cream. I did a more buffing motion, meaning I was going in circles. And now I'm using more of a stippling motion, which is just pushing the product in. Now I'm going in with the Undereye Corrector. I love, love, love this because it has that peachy undertone. So it's going to correct my dark circles, which are huge. Like, I think that's probably one of the most problematic areas for me. I just always look more tired, and just, I don't know, it just always looks so dull under there. So the Under Eye Corrector helps with brightening up that area and just causing like a really good base for concealer, which is what we're doing now. So I'm taking this concealer. It is a little bit deeper, but I am finding that I like going for something that's more towards my skin tone shade, and then going in with a lighter concealer in order to really brighten up that area wherever I feel it's necessary. A tip, I also brought it towards the outer area of my nose. It's going to narrow the nose by doing that. I don't know why, it just does. And here I am using our Mary Kay Beauty Sponge. You guys, this is so good. I feel like I haven't talked much about this. Well, I haven't been on here much at all, but I feel like I haven't talked much about this anyways. It's such a good sponge. Absolutely use it damp, just so you get the best results, but just see how it's dispersing that product beautifully. It just blends into the skin. And then I'm taking the foundation brush again and just going over the areas, those lines from the concealer, just making sure to marry everything together and really blend it well. Next, I'm going in with our Mary Kay translucent powder, which I absolutely love. This has quickly become my favorite translucent powder ever. So what's really cool about this is that it has light reflex in it, and it's going to overall brighten the skin. So it's going to make it look more youthful, a lot more glowy, just really pretty. And then I'm taking some translucent powder on this powder brush as well. I believe it's called the all over powder brush, which I am just absolutely loving. And I'm just putting translucent powder all over my skin.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut in, and I just quickly want to say this brush is freaking amazing. I need to order another one for the next step that I'm about to do, but I just like keeping my translucent powder for this one, and then I'm gonna order another one. But as of lately, I haven't really ever done this, just because I like a more luminous look. However, I feel like this foundation powder has really been making my skin look, I don't know, just more refreshed in a way. And then once I do it with the setting powder, it just, it looks so nice. But anyways, and this one is a Morphe E1 brush that I'm going to use to pack on this foundation powder. It's totally unnecessary. I don't know what's in here. I don't know if light reflex are in here too, but it's just made my skin look so healthy, whereas when I've used other powders, it doesn't really give me that luminous look because it is powder. So again, this is just an extra step that I like to take. It's totally unnecessary. You don't have to do this, but what I just like to do, I have some powder right here, and I like swirling it in, packing it, swirl, pack, and then I just kind of tap off any excess, which is like a lot. Okay, and what I like to do is just go where I didn't put the lighter concealer and basically just setting my foundation. Now, like I said, I did want more heavy coverage today, just because I haven't really done my makeup like super glam, just because I've been wearing just a lot of my CC cream alone. So I really wanted to wear foundation today, and so there's that. And I don't know, for me, it does something for me. You probably can't tell the difference, but I really like it. So yeah, that's just an extra step that I've been taking. And usually I'm not one for like a matte look, but like I said, this gives a luminosity that I don't really find within other powders. It could also very well be the translucent powder, because this does have light reflex in it. So it makes your skin look more youthful. But sorry, there's like hair in my eye. Anyways, back to the voiceover.
Now I'm going in with the bronzer and the new cheek brush. Mary Kay really made these brushes stupid proof, you guys. I don't know how else to say it. Like, They just made it so user-friendly that it's crazy. So I'm just going ahead and taking this bronzer and using that angled area in order to give myself more of a contour. And I'm also taking this on my forehead as well. And as you can see here, that bronzer is just hugging the perimeter of my face, and it's bringing all the light to the center of the face, which is just overall going to make your skin appear more healthy and glowy, and the center of the face just lit up, and making it appear a little bit smaller as well. I did take some of this bronzer onto my nose, and as you can see, I got a little bit carried away, but I went in and I fixed that. Now I'm taking my two blushes, Strawberry Cream, that's the one up top, and Sunny Spice, which is the one on the bottom. And what I like about Strawberry Cream is that it has like a highlight in it almost, and it just really makes the cheekbones pop, especially when you're out in the sun. And I like the idea of mixing these two just because I feel like it gives me my perfect blush shade. I don't know if you guys agree, but I just really like how they both appear together. I don't know what happened to the clip of me showing the eyeshadow primer, but I'm using our eyeshadow primer, which is amazing, amazing, amazing. And here I'm using our setting spray, which is so good, so good. It feels like the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, but it also like melts the powder into your skin like MAC Fix Plus. And I have a hard time finding setting sprays that are that good. So anyways, now I'm using the all over eyeshadow brush, and I'm using the shade Copper Glow. This shade is so stunning. And as you can see, I'm blowing it out here, making sure to get it more towards the crease. And just look how beautifully that's blowing out. It's so pretty. And then here I'm using our crease brush, and I'm going in with the shade Driftwood, and I'm also mixing that with, oh my gosh, I'm blanking on the name, Chocolate Kiss. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know what caused me to do this or to use these shades, but I am so glad I did. Now I'm using the smudger brush, and I went in with our black shade, which is called Coal. And I just went ahead, I didn't really want anything too precise. I just went in and smudged on that black on my lash line. Now I'm going in with our, oh my gosh, you guys, I love this brush. Finally, they came out with it. It's an eyeliner slash eyebrow brush, and it has a spoolie on the end and the angled brush on the other end. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, just because Mary Kay doesn't have one. But I've really been loving this technique. It's been changing my eyebrow game for real, for real. I don't know what it is. I need to buy our lash and brow serum. My eyebrows just don't cooperate, and they're not the same. Like, they're just not leveled. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm sure you guys see it. Just know that I see it too. It's something I'll work on. Now taking our Mary Kay brow gel, you guys, this stuff is amazing. Hands down the best brow gel I have ever used. Now I'm going in with our eyelash curler. This eyelash curler is so bomb, like better than any high-end eyelash curler that I've ever tried personally. Then I'm going in with our Lash Intensity Mascara. This is going to help volumize like crazy. So it's gonna just really fan those lashes out. And then after that, I'm going in with our Lash Lengthening Mascara. And I like using that. I just like using both of them because it gives me what I'm looking for, which is volume and length. So I really like mixing the two. And here I'm just showing you how crazy long they look, which makes me so happy. Now I'm going in with our lip liner, and here I find something really cool. and I'm going to cut in right now.
Okay, I just discovered something. So I just started using our lip liners. I know, crazy. And I was taking this cap off, and then this other little cap came off. You guys, this is a sharpener on the end of this lip liner. Are you joking right now? Okay, so let me, okay, if you guys can see, it's not sharp right now, right? So let me just, oh, let me, oh no. I almost broke it. Okay. So I got it a little bit sharp, but I don't want it to like break off because then I don't want to waste it. So that's freaking awesome though. Are you joking? I didn't know that. This is so good for on the go. Like, yes. Okay. Back to the voiceover.
Okay. Isn't that super crazy, you guys? I just feel like that was the coolest thing. So here I am. I'm just lining my lips. I do kind of tend to overdraw the right side of my Cupid's bow just a little bit more because the left side goes up just a little bit more. And here I am filling in my lips with that lip liner. You guys, this lasts all day, not even joking. Then I'm going in with the Nourish Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Silver Moon. And this has been my favorite combo. Like, I haven't been able to stop wearing this. It just looks so pretty. So that is it for the finished look, you guys. I'm just here fixing my hair. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.